Hi guys, it's Lizzie Pass with the Pace of Richmond Real Estate Group, here to show you 8005 Buford Commons Place. This home is over 1,300 square feet, which is amazing for a townhome. There's a downstairs bedroom and a loft bedroom, and the entire place has been updated. The roof and the skylights are only 1 year old. Let's take a look. Stained glass windows and super private backyard really make this community stand out. We're really easy to find, really accessible, and we're available for showings. Come on in and check it out.